our landscape and design project is a 50-foot timber retaining wall. Customer had issues with mowing at an awkward angle, so we wanted to give her something that was a little bit easier. We're almost near completion on this wall. We're gonna remove all of this sandy dirt out, replace it with fresh topsoil so that we can begin the garden on the top tier of this project. If this is something that you would be interested in your yard, you can look us up on Facebook or email us at drlandscapeanddesign@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.